Welcome to a moment just for you. A time to reset, recharge, and reconnect with your inner strength. Today, let's embrace the power of words to transform your mind and uplift your spirit. Take a deep breath. Inhale hope. Exhale doubt. You are about to unlock the incredible potential within you. Today, we'll guide you through 6 empowering themes of affirmations, each crafted to inspire and uplift you. These affirmations are more than just words. They are seeds of positivity, waiting to bloom into confidence, joy, and success. Let's begin. First, we'll start with self-love and confidence, reminding you of your worth and inner strength. Repeat these affirmations with me. I am worthy of love and respect. I am worthy of love and respect. I love and accept myself completely. I love and accept myself completely. My imperfections make me unique and beautiful. My imperfections make me unique and beautiful. I am confident and capable in everything I do. I am confident and capable in everything I do. I choose to be kind to myself today and every day. I choose to be kind to myself today and every day. Next, let's dive into success and abundance, unlocking the energy to achieve your dreams. I am deserving of success and abundance. I am deserving of success and abundance. Opportunities flow effortlessly into my life. Opportunities flow effortlessly into my life. I attract prosperity and success with my positive mindset. I attract prosperity and success with my positive mindset. I am a magnet for wealth and opportunities. I am a magnet for wealth and opportunities. My hard work and dedication are creating a bright future. My hard work and dedication are creating a bright future. Now, let's embrace gratitude and positivity, cultivating joy in every moment. I am grateful for the blessings in my life. I am grateful for the blessings in my life. Today is filled with endless opportunities for joy. Today is filled with endless opportunities for joy. My life is full of abundance, and I cherish it. My life is full of abundance, and I cherish it. I focus on the positive and let go of the negative. I focus on the positive and let go of the negative. I am surrounded by love and positivity. I am surrounded by love and positivity. Let's nurture your well-being with health and vitality affirmations. My body is strong, healthy, and full of energy. My body is strong, healthy, and full of energy. I am in tune with my body and honor its needs. I am in tune with my body and honor its needs. I release stress and embrace peace. My mind is clear, calm, and focused. My mind is clear, calm, and focused. I nourish my body, mind, and soul. I nourish my body, mind, and soul. Together, we'll build resilience and growth through strength and perseverance affirmations. I am capable of overcoming any challenge. I am capable of overcoming any challenge. Each day, I become stronger and more resilient. Each day, I become stronger and more resilient. I embrace change and trust the journey of life. I embrace change and trust the journey of life. I learn and grow from every experience. I learn and grow from every experience. I trust myself to make the best decisions for my life. I trust myself to make the best decisions for my life. And finally, we'll focus on relationships and connection, celebrating love and harmony in your life. I am surrounded by people who love and support me. I am surrounded by people who love and support me. I attract meaningful and fulfilling relationships. I attract meaningful and fulfilling relationships. I communicate with love, kindness, and clarity. I communicate with love, kindness, and clarity. I deserve deep, authentic connections with others. I deserve deep, authentic connections with others. My relationships are filled with mutual respect and love. My relationships are filled with mutual respect and love. You've just taken a powerful step toward embracing the best version of yourself. These affirmations are more than words. They are a promise to yourself, a commitment to growth, love, and abundance. Remember, transformation doesn't happen overnight, but with every repetition, every breath of belief, you are planting seeds of positivity that will bloom over time. Carry these affirmations with you throughout your day and return to them whenever you need strength, peace, or inspiration. Thank you for joining this journey. You are strong. You are capable. And you are deeply loved. Until next time, keep shining your light and embracing the incredible power within you.